We have a 2021 Grand Design Imagine travel trailer. We use this as a couples trailer exclusively, so we never need to sleep more than two in the RV. The dinette area never gets turned into a bed. We always felt the stock table was a bit bulky and difficult to slide in and out of the seats. We saw someone in the Grand Design Imagine 2600 Facebook group recommend a smaller freestanding table with only a center pole. We found this table on Amazon and gave it a try on a couple of camping trips. We felt this tabletop was a bit too small. The concept of the large flat bottom base with center pole was great. This made sliding in and out of the seat area much easier. Now we just wanted to address the small tabletop and change the color of the base and pole. We felt the chrome look of the base did not match the look we wanted in the RV, so we contacted Blastmasters in West Palm Beach, Florida. They do soda blasting and powder coating for all kinds of projects like car parts, house shutters, patio furniture, and airplane parts. The excellent team recommended just going with a powder coating for my table stand project. They felt soda sandblasting was not needed in this case. We selected a brown bronze as the powder coated color. The table's base's new color came out awesome. The Blastmasters team was super easy to work with and got this done real quick. What an amazing difference between the old chrome and the new bronze, right? Next, we wanted to work on that tabletop size. Boat shows always have some interesting vendors that offer products that cross over into the RV market. At the West Palm Beach Boat Show this past year, in the vendor's tent, we came across a company named Salty Knots Wood Creations that makes very nice looking epoxy wood products. They advertise charcuterie boards, cutting boards, and serving trays, but they were interested and willing to make us a tabletop in their ocean teak design. The final piece of this puzzle was to mount our new custom tabletop to the base. The original tabletop from Amazon had nice threaded inserts. I like this concept, so I found some similar threaded inserts on Amazon. I wanted to be super careful when drilling the holes on the back of the new tabletop. I did not want to go too deep, causing the drill bit to go all the way through the new table. Drill stoppers would have worked. These little guys lock onto drill bits and drill holes to exact depths. However, I already had a portable drill press that I attach a cordless drill to. This has a built-in stopper. I got this on Amazon a couple of years ago for another project. The threaded insert documentation mentioned using a 3/8 inch drill bit. I carefully measured the height of the threaded insert and set my drill press stopper at that distance. I made a few test holes in a piece of scrap 2x4. I centered the table pole attachment piece and marked some drill spots. Then it was off to drilling the real thing. The final base and tabletop together came out amazing. Special thanks to Blastmasters of West Palm Beach and SaltyKnots.net for helping us with this table upgrade. We measured the tabletop exactly the size we wanted in an oval shape, and it was perfect. The table feels very stable. However, when we travel, we do quickly lift the tabletop off the base. It comes off really easy, and we throw it on the bed just as an extra safety precaution. We used it on our first camping trip last week, where we fired up some shrimp tacos on the Blackstone and served them on the new table. I swear that table made the meal taste better than previous ones. Maybe my wife becoming a Blackstone pro had something to do with it too.